Welcome to another segment of Lousje and Bean Behind the Scene. Today I'm mixing and matching prints and more prints. Welcome lovelies. I cannot tell you how much fun I've had pulling these pieces together because I am matching prints and other prints and different colors and different textures and all kinds of different things. I was in my little playground styling this all. I really like this look. I think it's very interesting and it's mixing and matching all kinds of different things, but the theme is the polka dot, right? I'm wearing this amazing tunic from Alembika. I absolutely adore all these pieces from this line. The fabric, first of all, it's that accordion pleating. It's got a little satiny feel to it, very luxurious feel. So it's got the big polka dot, the tiny little polka dot, and then a flowered pattern, subdued flowered pattern here with the chartreuse. And then the back, the same thing, right? The same different action going on. I pulled out the up pants. I think this is such a darling print with the black border and the white. It's a little check and then the white stripe on the cuff. Very interesting. The up pants, it's like no zipper, no button, right? It's a beautiful waist. It's got a little panel for your tummy. I'm wearing a size 4. So I'm wearing the small medium and it's got, you know, lots of room to play, and it just because of the fabric, the way it is pleated, it drapes lovely. Just a little bit about the mix matching. Oh yeah, let me talk about my jewelry. So I picked up the Siska with the gorgeous beads that are in the collar, and the Siska earrings, polka dotty, and I have a lovely ring from Ceriglio. And I want to point this out, this amazing ensemble from Crisas that we've cut into the boutique not that long ago. These are colors that you probably wouldn't think about putting together, but look what a jiving outfit this is. It's got the border with the chartreuse. Then there's this beautiful different color crease in the dress. Then it's picked up in the knitted, this gorgeous little crop sweater from Crisas. And they pasted, or I would say paste, yeah, they pasted a few pieces of this fabric and then the scarf. A dynamite outfit, and really like, wow, how creative to put those colors together. I have one more outfit. I'm going to keep the tunic on, but I'll show you a whole different look with a different jacket. Okay, I'm back, and this is quite daring, I have to admit, but I think it's a lot of fun. I chose the little jacket from Gershon and Braun. Love these little boxy jackets. We also have one with a little bit of chartreuse in it. This is the white and black. I think it's darling, and Tessa styled it up in another video and she looked amazing. Lots going on here, right? But I did change my pants to a plain black because the pants I wore before was a little too much. Like, you have to be careful that it's not a little crazy, but this is quite tasteful and creative, I think. I kept the same earrings, but I found this amazing necklace, right? All polka dotty from Siska. So lovelies, today we are having a little going away party for Kate. She's going to have her baby soon. We are inviting all you lovelies who have been really living the pregnancy with her, because she's been here every day and she's looked after you lovelies, and yeah, you form a bond, right? It becomes a little bit of a family. So she picked 10 of her favorite pieces, which are on sale today for 24 hours. So please come on down, say hi to Kate and have a little bit of a pastry and a chocolate, and we would love to see you all. Okay, lovely. So as always, like and subscribe to our videos. And especially keep on smiling.